Alright, so our next exercise is circle pyramid 2.0. Write a program to draw a pyramid of circles based on user input, blah, 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 blah. But it says the block pyramid example program may be a good place to start. Note that this is open-ended and results will vary. Here's an example of what your solution might look like, and it's got like this. So I'm going to take that hint as an example to go back and look at our circle pyramid. So if you go to 610 and you look at exercise circle pyramid with comments, you can click there and open it up. And here it is right here. So I'm going to click there, Command A to highlight it all, Command C to copy, go back here, and I'm going to paste it in there, Command V to paste. Okay. Now let's see how different this is from our original one. Okay, and so it looks like, actually it looks like this does not help us at all. Okay, so I'm just going to actually delete this, so never mind. And I'm just going to start from scratch, which means this video is probably going to be pretty long. Okay, so I'm going to put a multi-line code. This code will ask the user how many circles they want on the bottom of the pyramid, and then draw a pyramid of circles, subtracting one circle from each row. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to move this down. I was wondering. Okay. So now we should be on line 5. We're going to skip that line, and we're going to do a single line comment on line 6. Set initial variables values. Speed 0 on line 7. Line 8, we're going to do radius equals 25. Then we're going to do diameter equals radius times 2. Then we're going to do row underscore value equals 1. Then we're going to go to line 12. We're going to put in that out now. Okay. Okay. This function draws one circle and then moves to the end of it. So we're going to do DEF, draw underscore circle. Then we're going to do pin down, circle, radius, then on line 16 we've got pin up, line 17 we've got forward, diameter. Then we're going to go down to line 19. We're going to do another single line comment. This function draws a row of circles based on the value of num underscore circles. Def, draw underscore row underscore of underscore circles, num underscore circles. for I in range, num underscore circles, draw underscore circle. Then we're going to go down to line 23. We're going to go down to 24 and go all the way to the left. We're going to put in a single line comment. This function moves to the top of the next row with x value based on the variable num underscore circles, I guess. And y value based on the variable row underscore value. So DEF move underscore up underscore a underscore row num underscore circles, comma, row underscore value. Put the colon at the end. Then we're going to do x underscore value equals parentheses, 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 num underscore circles times diameter. Go outside of the first one. You're going to divide it by 2. Go outside of the second one. Minus radius. Then we're going to go down. We'll do y underscore value equals 200 plus row underscore value times diameter. Then we're going to do set position x underscore value y underscore value. Then we're going to go down to line 32. We're going to backspace all the way to the left. We're going to hashtag ask the user how many circles should be on the bottom row. Num underscore circles equals int input how many circles on the bottom row, 8 or less. Oh, I do need another one there. Okay, let's see. Okay. Then I'm going to go down to line 35. Set starting position based on number of circles in bottom row. So on line 36, we are going to have x underscore value equals negative num underscore circles times diameter divided by 2 minus radius. And we're going to do pin up, set position, x underscore value, comma, negative 200. Then we're going to do your hashtag, draw a row of circles based on num underscore circles. And we were supposed to put that in a single parenthesis. Then subtract 1 from the value. Move Tracy to top of next row based on row underscore value. Then add 1 to value. Continue until num underscore circles equals 0. And we're going to do for I in range, num underscore circles, draw underscore row underscore of underscore circles, and inside we're going to do num underscore circles. Then we're going to do num underscore circles equals num underscore circles minus 1. Then we're going to do move comma up or underscore a underscore row, num underscore circles comma row underscore value, and then row underscore value equals row underscore value plus 1. Okay, and that should be it. So let's run our code, see if it works. Run, how many circles in the bottom? Let's say 8, enter. Okay, so we've got a problem here. So let's see, how many circles on the bottom row? 8 or less. So let's see, we probably just didn't do a closed parenthesis somewhere that we needed. So we'll go through here line by line and see what we missed. I'm thinking it's going to be for in here. Okay, for I in range, num underscore circles. Yes, that's correct. With the colon. Draw row of circles. Num circles. Num circles equals num circles minus 1. Move up a row. Num underscore circles, comma, row value. Row value equals row value plus 1. Okay, so it's not that. Okay, so maybe it's in move up a row. So let's look there. Define, move up a row, num circles, comma, row value, yes. X value equals minus 1, 2, 3, num circles. This is supposed to be minus 200 also. Okay, let's try it again. 8, enter. And boom, there we go. That's what it was. We just needed to add the minus sign on line 27, 28. And if we run it again and we do 7, run it again, we can do 6, run it again, we can do 5. And then everything's working, so submit and continue. We're done with that one.